Hey gang, Tormenter Dave here. I'm getting ready to put out a spread. I want to go through it with you, show you how easy it is to run 6 lines without outriggers. What I do before we get out there is I put all my rods where I want them so that I can direct my guests to put lines out and they don't have to figure out where they go. So I like my green over on my port side, okay? But because I'm not convinced they're going to eat green today, I've also got my pink over here as well. So I'm going to put these out on this side, and then we're going to go over to the starboard side. Over here on my starboard side, for whatever reason, I like my blues on the starboard. So I've got my creaky bird chain over here, and then up this way, I've got my softy chain. Now WFB, which means about 125, 150 feet back, we're going to put the steelhead out all by itself. Okay gang, like I said, I'm going to put my steelhead WFB. We're going to get that out first so that we don't have to worry about getting it out through the other lines. Alright, now put this out on the side of the engine, it's not right behind me. Just drop it back. Alright, so now I'm going to hang this thing way up high. Alright, so the next line I'm going to put out is our tuna magnet. We're going to put that, again, like I said, up the center, but at about 75 feet. Alright, now, unlike most other people, I'll put my longer flat line out in the corner. Okay, I'll show you why in a minute. Alright, so I've got my creaky bird chain out at about 60 feet on this rod here out of the corner. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this one out of my forward rod holder, and this is only going to go out about 35 feet. Alright? And the reason I put it forward of the long one is I can make tight turns without them getting tangled. If I put the long one out up here and this one back there, it screws stuff up.
Please note that I check my drags after letting out each line.
Alright gang, so now I've got 6 lines out all together, and come with me. So I've got out a freaky bird chain over here, and another freaky bird chain out on the starboard side. Over there I've got a softy chain forward here. I've got my steelhead all the way back at 150 feet, and I got my tuna magnet at about 75 feet straight back. Now if you look back there, you'll see the first 5 lines all spread apart, nice and easy. I don't have a single outrigger employed, but everything's staying together nicely. Go ahead and zoom in on that, Dylan.
Look for the launch of Tormenter's new YouTube channel, where we will do our best to both entertain you and deliver helpful tips.